Steve TT120. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a little stay alive in an 08 shunter. The problem I had with the stay alive, let's just see how we get on with it, shall we? I've connected the 6-pin chip to one of these chip testers, and as I'm holding the crocodile clip on, I'm putting the power on. Disconnected the power and reconnected. As soon as I disconnect, you'll see the light goes out straight away, and the motor was also stopping straight away. So I thought, this is not working. I've now replaced the stay alive with another one, and connecting to the rail, this is the other end of the crocodile clip, also put a little bit of marking paint on the motor so that you can see the motor spinning. Disconnect the power, the light goes off and the motor carries on running. That's what's just making it flicker on that weight. Back on again, light comes on, and then as soon as I remove it, light goes straight off. Yep, motor's still running. Now that one's working. Good one. The light on the chip tester is the forward or reverse. However, the Loco doesn't have forward or reverse lights. What I found interesting is that the lights don't work on stay alive. It's only the motor. This is the bottom of my little 08 shunter, but I also have got another one that I'm working on.
That's good. That's fine.
Yes, sorry, it is 00 this model, but it still has a 6-pin chip in it, and it's running on DCC with a stay alive. And as you can see now, it's just running nicely over. That's where it stopped. This is how I fitted it to the 00 gauge model. The front had got this nice little engine compartment which I removed and stuck the stay alive in there. Put the cab back on, was running underneath the control panel inside the Loco, all put back together. You can't see the stay alive at all inside there, and here she's running. The next video is going to be how I got over using these point motors, the SS Cobalt on the layout. Okay, keep tuned. The next one we're going to have another coming up. What I'm working on at the moment is about a brand new layout, the TT120. Also keep tuned because we have a new video coming up here and a video coming up here. See you on the next one.